Beauty about this flower is it opens during daytime and it closes during night. Hello guys, good morning. In this video I'll be giving you a brief room tour of our room in Ishodyan Bhavan, and yeah, I'll be giving you a small guide regarding the online booking procedure. First of all, you need to log into www.visitmayapur.com. I'll be linking the website in my description box. Do check in. There are 3 to 4 Bhavans you can book online on the website. One is Ishodyan Bhavan. We booked a room for rupees 850. We had actually planned 4 nights stay out here, but irrespective of booking 40 days in advance, we got only 3 rooms. And for one night, we needed to figure our stay out here only. I loved the room and the view from the room is so beautiful. There are a set of rules which you need to follow while booking it online. If you are planning to stay here for more than 10 days or more than 15 days, there is some discount like 10 to 15% discount. Rules and regulations are mentioned while booking. You'll get to know. The compound here is very huge. I'll take you around the compound, so yeah, let's go. There are places where you can sit and just enjoy the vibe, sit and work if you have some work like editing outside, and also like if you want to chant your japas and make new friends, it's a good place to be. I enjoy sitting outside, especially during evening and night time. The vibe is completely different, but you'll encounter some mosquitoes out there. This is the entry. We have reception desk out here, and yeah, that's the reception desk from where you'll get the pilgrim card. You'll have to fill in some details. The room we got is 4th floor, so yeah, we have to take in the elevator. Below the painting there is a beautiful quotation from Bhagavad Gita where Sri Krishna says, "I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly knows this engage in my devotional service and worship me with their hearts." Our room number is 410. We are going towards our room. This is one of the best room I've been in within the budget, and the view is to die for. Now let's go inside the room. Take you to my room. So guys, this is the room. This is my bed, and this is Appa's bed. His bed was out here, but I dragged it down so that he could properly enjoy the view from the window. The view from the window is so peaceful. You can see this is sunrise. It's just 6 a.m. but the sun is already up. The sun is already out. The maize fields. You can see the bananas, different types of vegetables. It's so self-sufficient. And the vibes you get out here is peaceful vibes. You can just lay on the bed, enjoy the sunrise and the sunset and the greenery. So we are also provided with table and chair. You can also work, edit, do anything you like out here. And yeah, this is the mirror. Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. And they provided us with water and 2 glass. We have an attached bathroom. Okay, this is the bathroom. It's clean. Yeah, that's the bathroom. Now let me take you outside to the balcony view. Let's go out. And yeah, you're also provided with all out to keep the mosquitoes away. Provided us with extra mattress, as you can see out here, and we also have it under my bed. So this room has the capacity of 4 pilgrims, and there is a beautiful painting of Krishna, Balram and Gopas. Guys, as for the window part, we are provided with double windows again, and this one has net, this one is glass. I think the net is here just to ward off the insects away. We have a watch in our room. It's 5 minutes to 7, and they have some important notice out here. We have a fan. This is my favorite part out here. Balcony is my favorite part. Just look at the view from balcony. That's the temple of the Vedic planetarium, and this is Bhavan. People working down. Appa has gone for a morning walk, and I'm taking some time to just show you around. We also have a space for drying clothes, which is located in the terrace. That's the laundry area. I'll show you the laundry area. This is the terrace, a place where you can dry all your washed clothes. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this short tour. I love this place. I'm not feeling like leaving it, but life goes on and we need to carry on with our lives. It is small breaks like this that gives you some energy to move forward. So yeah, I'll miss Mayapur. This is our second last day, and I hope that I'll get to visit this place again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I hope this video was a bit helpful to you.